Hello everyone, let's dive into the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 96GB RAM kit. This kit boasts a capacity of 96GB, configured as two 48GB modules, running at a blazing fast 6600 MHz with a CL32 latency. This memory is designed for the latest Intel platforms, specifically the 700 series chipsets, and features XMP 3.0 support for easy overclocking. The first thing to note is the sheer capacity. 96GB is overkill for most users, but for professionals and enthusiasts who work with large data sets, video editing, 3D rendering, or run virtual machines, this kit is a game changer. The increased memory capacity allows for smoother multitasking and eliminates memory bottlenecks, resulting in significant performance gains in demanding applications. The 6600 MHz speed is impressive, and the CL32 latency ensures snappy responsiveness. The combination of high speed and low latency translates to faster data access and improved overall system performance. During testing, the kit performed exceptionally well in various benchmarks and real-world applications. Games loaded faster, video renders completed quicker, and multitasking was seamless. One of the standout features of this kit is the onboard voltage regulation. This allows for more precise and stable overclocking through Corsair's ICUE software. The ICUE software provides real-time frequency readings, voltage control, and custom XMP profile settings. This level of control allows users to fine-tune the memory performance to their specific needs and preferences. The custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles are another welcome addition. Users can create and save their own XMP profiles via ICUE, tailoring performance by app or task. This is particularly useful for users who want to optimize their memory settings for specific games or applications. Aesthetically, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM features a sleek black heat spreader that looks great in any build. The heat spreader effectively dissipates heat, ensuring stable performance even under heavy loads. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 96GB RAM kit is a high-performance memory solution that delivers exceptional speed, capacity, and features. While it may be overkill for the average user, it is an excellent choice for professionals and enthusiasts who demand the best possible performance from their systems. The onboard voltage regulation, custom XMP profiles, and ICUE software integration make this kit a standout in the DDR5 market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.